everybody. Okay, we're on another camping trip. Here we go. Rolling the dice a little bit. The campground I'm going to is there are no reservations. It's first come, first serve. I'm getting a little bit of a later start than I wanted to. Had to get a few things done around the house. But hey, we're going to give it a shot. Worst case scenario, find us a grill, have us a nice meal, maybe do some fishing. We'll just play it by ear. So come along with me and let's see where this adventure takes us. Well guys, we made it. We did it. I can't believe it. A no reservation campsite, and I can't get over it. Check out what we got. It is a little on the small side. Let me walk you down here. Folks, we are right on the water. That joker's seen some better days, but that's okay. I bring my own grill top. Picnic table, again, right on the water. This is, I couldn't ask for better. I got a nice little, I'm going to be propping up here in a little bit and do some fishing. Got several places, and you can just see. It's not a very sunny day, but boy, it's warm out here. But this is an awesome view. Wow. And we're on a grade here, but that worked out just fine. Doesn't bother me at all. Okay, well, I'm going to get everything broke out and see if we can catch a fish. Okay, guys, something weird just happened here. Something just took off with this. And it was, I was moving the camera. He's still on there, I hope. If I can. Stupid legs on these things. Okay, something's going on here. Hopefully we can get this recorded. Oh, my pole just about went in the water. Oh my God. There we go. I can't believe it. All that fuss over this little guy right here. Oh my goodness. But that's nice. Nice little channel cat. Old Still You. I don't like them this size because they're hard to get off the hook. All right. Hey guys, I'll be back in a second. I'm going to have to grab me some pliers. Be right back. All right, guys, we got him off there. Little feller. But we did it. So we're going to toss him back. Oh, sorry for the footage. I actually picked up the camera and was getting ready to walk, get a couple of shots around the camp here. And didn't realize it was off. And then I looked over and my pole is diving into the water. And this guy is a lot stronger than you. Or this guy is a lot stronger than he looks. So we're going to get him turned back and see if we can catch another one. There we go. And so we can get a second one. Come alive on us. Sure what. I mean, there's a little one. Gotta go through a lot of weeds. There he comes. Look at all that stuff all over your face. Oh, he's a little bigger. For you. Yeah. All right. Number 2. Got a little bigger. Nice channel. I'm not planning on keeping any tonight. Not planning on having a fire. It's a little on the hot side. So let's get him off here. Try to. Okay, we're gonna get him loose. Whoa, 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 buddy. Boy, he's bitching. All right, we're gonna take him back. Off he goes. All right, there's a flurry of activity. All right, guys, let's see if we can get another one. Well, guys, we caught us a little bullhead. These things don't get very big. They eat okay. We can get some size to them, but we're gonna let this little feller go. But hey, we caught 3. All right, everybody. Well, it's dinner time. Like I said earlier, mosquito. I'm running a cold camp tonight. It's just too hot to have a fire tonight, so hopefully it cools down enough that maybe in the morning we can cook a little breakfast on the fire. But first, let's get down to dinner. So I'm just making basically a sandwich wrap. It's pretty straightforward. Keep all your ingredients cold in the cooler. So what we're gonna do, get ready. First, I have some onions. This is my mixing bowl. And since I always forget something, I forgot my cutting board. So, don't need all these dudes. Let's start with one and see how that works out. I really don't think I need a rubber band around them either. I have no real measurements for this. I just kind of put it together to taste. All right, and these are all been cleaned already. Still got a little bit of goop on there. I'll take this guy, take him off there. And we're just gonna start cutting this guy up. So I'm gonna cut this up, so we'll be back in a second. Very careful. There we go. Side. Now I went ahead and did 2. They weren't real big, but I think 3 might be a little much, but we'll go with 2. I always add more. Now, I have some, if I can get it open, Philadelphia cream cheese. I got the whipped because it's just easier to work with. I'd rather use the bar, but then you have to set it out, and I think it's just too hot today to be setting something like that out to warm up. You can't exactly get a room temperature when you're not in a room. I'm gonna take this guy. Good stuff. And a spoon. We're gonna flop that right in there. And if we have any left over, boom. Now, I'm just gonna work this in. So this is gonna take me a minute, so we'll be back. Okay. All that stuff. Hey, we got that. All right, we got that mixed up. Keep all my stuff together here. Easier to pick up later. Let me just take I use these giant, oh wow. Ever have that happen? Good thing I've got extra bags in my portable kitchen in there. I'll show you that in the upcoming episode. Pop. Set you down. I'm gonna take this and we're gonna spread this all over. A decent layer. Yeah, definitely. Now this is great, you know, I guess maybe more so for if you have a few people with you, because it makes a decent amount, but I can always take it home, snack on it later. It's actually not bad just to dip a chip in, which we might do in a little bit. Our spreader's not spreading like I'd like it to. All right, close enough. Now what I like to do is, I just got some, right now I didn't have any really good looking tomatoes. Personally, I'd rather have a tomato and chop it up, but they didn't have any that looked very good. Try to get some of that off there. Sorry for the noise. And we are going to put some tomato on here. Back in the can, dude. No, that's fair enough. And you know, as much as you like. You know, I mean, how much you like tongue-tied. Boy, every time. Depends on how well you like your tomatoes. Let's see. And that in itself is not bad. All right, now I'll throw some cheese on here. I got a lot of stuff that I'm trying tonight that I haven't used before. I picked this up, Tillamook, sharp cheddar, farm style thick cut. That looked interesting. I prefer, if I can help it, depending on what I'm cooking, to stay away from the great value cheeses. And my favorite brand is Sargento. I love their cheese. A little bit more. Well, wow, that's actually pretty good. And now, I like to keep things easy, so if I can get in here. So, Black Forest ham. That's like 1 sandwich per bag. Get in here. Take our ham. And we'll start dividing that up. We can. This to be a pain. That's good enough. Gets the job done. Might as well just use all of it. There we go. My finger's off. Now, for the crunch, I have heart of romaine. So we are going to bust up some of this. Let's start with 2. See how it goes. We'll put you back in here for a moment. Take that. There we are. Skidoo. Take that right off there. There we go. And I'm going to stack them this way. So I have equal amounts of crap. Oh, get out of my ear, you piece of crap. Whoops. There we go. And oh, a little bit, I forgot, I would like to put a little bit of mustard or something on here, but another thing I forgot was put some basic condiments. I'm going to put just a touch, not a lot, of salt. There's not much coming out, folks. So, and pepper, gotta have it. But, yes, as you've seen in other videos, I am a fan of pepper. Oh wow, that little hole's messed up. All right, hate that. I don't have a way to fix it at the moment. You know those little tabs you push down in there, things come up on me, and I've got no. Oh, haha. There we go. Now we're cooking. There we go. Salt, pepper. And this does not take long to make. Getting it to roll correctly. And there you go. Oh, lost a tomato. About knocked that over. Yeah. Okay, magic trick. I'm gonna get a napkin. Poof. Like magic. Oh, it's the small things that entertain me. Now, let's take this dude. And you also make pinwheels out of these. And, whoo, look at there. You get a good look at that. That is nice. Let's try that just once. Helps it. This is just a little colder. Gotta be careful not to cut too much on my plate. And ta-da! Look at there. Nice. Okay, now I need something to drink. Oh, man. As hot as it's been today. Gotta keep hydrated. Oh, nice. Set you aside. And, oh, let's take a quick bite. Awesome. All right. Now to go along with this, again, something new. I had new cheese, which is actually really good. And I saw these. I just wanted to try them. Some kind of private selection, small batch, craft, blah, blah, blah. Applewood smoke, honey maple barbecue, naturally flavored, ripple cut kettle chips. Sweet and smoky. Well, we will see. Never had these. Sounded interesting. I can mix it up just a little bit. Yeah, there's definitely kettle chips. Let's not get crazy. All right, here we go. Definitely taste the honey. A little bit of smoky flavor. The maple's kind of there, not by much. And as far as barbecue, no. There's nothing in these chips that say barbecue to me. It's just like an over crunchy, semi-sweet chip. Not a fan, but it'll work. Oh, last bag of that I'm gonna buy. Oh, let's get another bite. Ooh, I think that happens sometimes. That is pretty darn good. All right, folks. I'm gonna eat. Might make a second one, probably will. And then we'll be back in a little bit. Thanks. Well, campers, excuse me, frog in my throat. And there's a bunch of frogs out here. Oh my goodness. But it may look lighter than it actually is, or appears to be to me. But the sun is setting and it's been a long, hot day. So I'm gonna, well, I've got some straightening up to do. And then I'm just gonna let the sun set and call it a night. So I will see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Here's my morning view. Oh, this is just cool. I'll tell you what. Now I wanted to cook breakfast for you guys this morning, but we had some thunderstorm come in last night and my fire pit is completely soaked. These things happen, not a big deal. So that's unfortunate, but I will definitely make maybe a breakfast for dinner cook for you guys on my next camping adventure. This is a great little spot. Definitely be coming back here. 0 neighbors, and show you a little something here. It's hard to see, it might be hard to see right here. Let me get up a little bit of view, but right over there is a boat ramp. So I'm basically camped right next to the boat ramp. We got a little shelter house over there at our water source. It's all within walking distance. Also within walking distance. Some people might look at it as a pro, maybe a con. There's my bathroom. So it's just a short jump up the hill. And from the rain and the storm, wasn't that much of a storm, more of a steady downpour, really. I heard thunder off in the distance, but nothing here. But you can see we got a bunch of branches that come out of the tree. No big deal. But yeah, I'll definitely be coming to this spot again. I got some stuff back here drying off that I forgot to bring in last night. A chair and a towel. But with that boat ramp being right there, we can just bring the duck. That's what we call my boat. The Venomous Duck. The boys named it. And just bring it up right here. So I can launch it once on a long camping weekend. And that'd be just great. Alright, so I'm going to pack up. We're going to hop in the truck. Again, just an awesome site. I just feel so lucky I got this one. So, until the next adventure, guys, I'll see you soon.